What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today we're going to talk about why I don't like the newer cars today and what I think is wrong with them. So I wrote down a few topics here and we're going to discuss them. So the first thing is plastic. All the cars today have really cheap plastic qualities. Cars have hard plastic in place of softer material that was there before. It's better on the automakers, yes, but it sucks for us because they don't last as long. Plastic does get brittle over time and can crack, and I'm not with that. I do not like that, and I wish they would bring it back to some better materials, especially if you're paying thousands and thousands for a vehicle. Next is no backseat room. Now, what I mean by this is there's nowhere comfortable for you to place your feet underneath the seat anymore. Everything is all motorized, electronic in the front seat. There's wires going underneath that front seat. Your feet barely have room. Yeah, even though they say there's 20% more room or 25% more room, it just isn't as comfortable as it used to be in the older vehicles. Everything was bigger, everything was more spacious. Now things are getting more compact, and they're trying to, even though they're saying it's bigger, it's just too much electronics in the vehicle. And third, everything is so advanced in that car. Just to change something as simple as a headlight bulb is ridiculous. You have to take apart majority of the vehicle just to get to a headlight and then put it back together. Don't even speak for BMWs. You have to remove the front wheel, go up the fender lining, and then try to get it from there. Toyotas, I'm not sure if they're like that yet. I still have my 2011 Toyota. It's not like that. It's very simple. Some Hondas I know are a little bit annoying to get to, having to remove the battery just to snake your hand in. I just don't really like the newer cars anymore. I like the way they look sometimes. The technology is just too much to handle. It's half of that crap you don't even use. There's voice activation on that. It doesn't even understand you half the time. You can just talk to the car. It says some wrong thing. It repeats a wrong thing after you say something that you're trying to get to. It's very glitchy sometimes. I'm just not into it. And also, a lot of these newer cars don't really have spots to put your cell phones. You would think that they would make a designated spot to place your cell phone, but they don't. And I believe these newer cars should come with a place to put your cell phone, on a vent, come with an adaptable holder naturally built into the vehicle, or something like that, for you to place your phone in the car. And that way you don't drop it, you don't lose it. You can use the GPS on it if you want to, or use the GPS in the car, and so on and so forth. But that's my 2 cents, guys. That's why I don't really like the newer vehicles today. I really like the older ones. My dream car is a 1974 Camaro, and one day soon I will get that restored and it'll be mine, and I will drive it without any electronic failures because everything is mechanical. So stay tuned, guys, for my next episode. Sometime next week I'll start with the Chevy Avalanche engine rebuild and disassembly and cleaning up and stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And if you have any comments to leave under this video, I would love to hear your thoughts on what you think about older vehicles versus newer vehicles of today. And yeah, guys, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Peace.